Hey everyone, it's Naim here, and today we're talking about a topic that can be difficult for some men to discuss: erectile dysfunction, or ED. If you're struggling with ED, know that you're not alone, and there are natural ways to address it and improve your sexual health. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective natural remedies for ED. Now let's get started. Our first natural remedy is L-Arginine, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in your body's production of nitric oxide. When your blood vessels relax, they open wider, allowing for increased blood flow. And when it comes to erectile function, good blood flow is key. L-Arginine is found naturally in foods like red meat, poultry, fish, and dairy products. Supplementing with L-Arginine can provide your body with an extra boost. Studies have shown that L-Arginine supplementation can be particularly effective in treating ED when combined with prescription medications. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage for you. They can assess your individual needs and make sure that L-Arginine supplementation is safe and won't interact with any medications you're currently taking. Incorporating L-Arginine-rich foods into your diet can also be beneficial. If you're looking to try L-Arginine, be sure to choose a reputable brand and follow the recommended dosage instructions. Let's travel back in time for a moment and delve into the world of traditional medicine. For centuries, Panax Ginseng, a powerful herb, has been a cornerstone in treating various health issues, including ED. Ginseng has been shown to promote the release of nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow to the penis. Ginseng comes in various forms, including capsules, tablets, teas, and extracts. It's best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate ginseng regimen for your situation. Studies have shown promising results regarding ginseng's effectiveness in improving erectile function. Some studies suggest that ginseng can enhance libido, improve sexual satisfaction, and even aid in achieving and maintaining erections. If you're considering incorporating ginseng into your routine, it's essential to choose a high-quality product from a reputable source. While ginseng can be a valuable tool in your ED toolkit, it's not an overnight fix. Be patient, listen to your body, and don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor if you have any questions or concerns. Alright gentlemen, it's time to activate those pelvic floor muscles. These exercises are not just for women, men can benefit greatly from them too. Strengthening these often overlooked muscles can significantly impact your sexual health, particularly when it comes to ED. Regular practice can lead to improved control and endurance. These muscles, located in your pelvic region, play a crucial role in supporting your bladder, bowel, and sexual function. They form a hammock-like structure that holds your pelvic organs in place. When your pelvic floor muscles are weak, it can affect your ability to achieve and maintain an erection. This can lead to discomfort and a decrease in quality of life. One of the most effective and well-known pelvic floor exercises is the Kegel exercise. It's simple yet powerful. Kegel exercises involve contracting and relaxing the muscles you would use to stop yourself from urinating. This helps in strengthening the pelvic floor. To perform a Kegel, imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. This visualization can help you identify the right muscles. Hold the contraction for a few seconds, then release. Start with a few seconds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Repeat this contraction and relaxation cycle several times. Aim for at least 3 sets of 10 repetitions each day. The beauty of Kegel exercises is that you can do them discreetly anytime, anywhere. Whether you're sitting at your desk, driving, or even watching TV. Consistency is key when it comes to pelvic floor exercises. Make it a part of your daily routine for the best results. If you're new to pelvic floor exercises or unsure about your technique, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional or a qualified pelvic floor therapist. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure you're doing the exercises correctly. Let's face it, we live in a fast-paced, often stressful world. The constant hustle and bustle can take a toll on our well-being. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your physical and mental health, including your sexual function. It's not just about feeling overwhelmed, it's about the long-term effects on your body. Stress and anxiety can manifest in various ways, and for some men, ED can be one of them. This can create a vicious cycle where stress leads to ED, and ED leads to more stress. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are meant to help you in short bursts, but prolonged exposure can be harmful. Prolonged exposure to these hormones can negatively impact your body's systems, including those involved in sexual arousal. This can lead to difficulties in maintaining an erection. Incorporating stress-relieving activities into your daily routine can work wonders for both your mental and sexual health. It's about finding balance and giving your body a chance to recover. Activities like yoga and meditation have been practiced for centuries for their calming and restorative benefits. These practices help in reducing stress and improving overall well-being. Yoga combines physical postures with deep breathing techniques to promote relaxation and reduce stress hormones. The physical activity also helps in releasing endorphins, which are natural stress relievers. Meditation encourages you to focus on the present moment, quieting the mind and easing anxiety. It helps in breaking the cycle of negative thoughts and brings a sense of peace. Other effective stress-relieving activities include spending time in nature, listening to calming music, practicing deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. These activities can help in lowering stress levels and improving mood. Find what brings you joy and peace and make it a priority. Whether it's painting, gardening, or simply reading a book, these activities can significantly reduce stress and improve your quality of life. Sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. When it comes to ED, making certain lifestyle changes can have a profound impact on your sexual health. Let's start with weight management. If you're carrying excess weight, shedding those extra pounds can work wonders for your erectile function. Obesity is often linked to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and low testosterone levels, all of which can contribute to ED. By losing weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise, you'll not only improve your cardiovascular health but also boost your testosterone levels and enhance blood flow throughout your body, including to the penis. Next up, let's talk about smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels, restricting blood flow to vital organs, including the penis. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and your sexual function. Now let's address alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can negatively impact your sexual performance. Moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs the right nutrients to function optimally, including in the bedroom. Certain vitamins and supplements have been linked to improved sexual health and may be beneficial for those struggling with ED. Let's start with the sunshine vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including testosterone production. Studies have shown a link between vitamin D deficiency and an increased risk of ED. Next up we have vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moving on to vitamin B9, also known as folate. Folate is essential for cell growth and division and plays a role in blood flow regulation. Remember, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Erectile dysfunction, like any health concern, can put a strain on relationships. It can create feelings of frustration, embarrassment, and even guilt. It's essential to remember that you're not alone in this journey, and many couples face similar challenges. Open communication with your partner is crucial. It helps in understanding each other's feelings and finding solutions together. Creating a safe and supportive space for both of you to express your feelings and concerns without judgment can strengthen your bond and help you navigate this challenge together. This mutual support can be a source of strength. Start by initiating a conversation with your partner. It might feel awkward at first, but it's a crucial step. Choose a time when you're both relaxed and can talk openly without distractions. This ensures that both of you are fully present in the conversation. Explain how ED is affecting you physically and emotionally. Be honest about your feelings and the impact it has on your well-being. Let your partner know that their support means the world to you. Their understanding and encouragement can make a significant difference. Encourage your partner to share their feelings and concerns as well. This two-way communication fosters empathy and connection. Listen actively and try to understand their perspective. This shows that you value their feelings and are willing to work together. If you're finding it challenging to communicate effectively, or if ED is causing significant strain on your relationship, seeking professional help can be incredibly beneficial. A professional can offer strategies and tools to improve communication and intimacy. A therapist specializing in sexual health or couples therapy can provide a safe and neutral space for you to work through these issues together. They can guide you in rebuilding intimacy and trust. Intimacy extends beyond the physical realm. Emotional closeness and mutual support are equally important in maintaining a healthy relationship. Finding new ways to connect and show affection can help maintain a strong bond. Remember, you're in this together, and with patience and understanding, you can overcome these challenges. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize that managing ED is an ongoing journey, and it's unique for each individual. While these natural remedies can be helpful, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing ED, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider to rule out any underlying medical conditions and discuss the best course of treatment for you. By taking proactive steps, seeking support when needed, and prioritizing your well-being, you can improve your sexual function and enjoy a fulfilling and confident life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on natural remedies and sexual health. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.